Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence. Let's begin by defining AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already a significant part of our daily lives. This video aims to illuminate AI's multifaceted role in society today. We will delve into its historical evolution, examine its current applications, and confront the challenges it poses. By understanding AI's impact, we can better prepare for a future where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously. Stay with us as we uncover the layers of AI and its profound influence on our world. Next, we'll explore the roots and growth of artificial intelligence. In the ever-evolving tapestry of technology, artificial intelligence stands as a beacon of innovation. To truly grasp its current influence, we must journey back to its origins. Let's dive into the history of AI, tracing its roots from the early days of computer science. As we navigate through time, we'll uncover key milestones that transform speculative fiction into tangible reality. From the first computer algorithms to the development of neural networks, each breakthrough paved the way for the sophisticated AI technologies we encounter today. Understanding this historical journey is crucial, as it contextualizes AI's current role and sets the stage for the challenges and opportunities ahead. Join us as we unravel this fascinating tale of ingenuity and progress. In the next segment, we'll explore how AI is actively reshaping industries and daily life, highlighting its transformative power in healthcare, finance, and beyond. Today, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful force transforming industries across the globe. In healthcare, AI is saving lives by predicting patient outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. Imagine algorithms that can detect diseases earlier than ever before, giving doctors an edge in medical diagnostics. In finance, AI enhances decision-making by analyzing market trends faster than any human could. It's reshaping how we manage investments and risk. Have you ever wondered how your bank detects fraud so swiftly? That's AI at work, safeguarding your finances. Transportation is another arena where AI is making strides. Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction. They are being tested on roads worldwide, promising to revolutionize how we commute. These innovations are just the tip of the iceberg. Across various sectors, from agriculture to entertainment, AI-driven solutions are pushing boundaries. Let's look at some real-world examples. In agriculture, AI is optimizing crop yields and reducing waste, ensuring food security in a growing world. In entertainment, AI curates personalized content, keeping us engaged with just the right mix of shows and music. The transformative power of AI is evident, but it brings questions and challenges that we'll explore in our next segment. How will these advancements affect jobs? What ethical considerations should we bear in mind? Join us as we delve into the societal challenges posed by AI and the potential solutions on the horizon. Artificial intelligence, a beacon of innovation, also casts a shadow of challenges we must face. In this segment, we delve into the societal hurdles AI presents. One major concern is job displacement due to automation. As machines grow more capable, many traditional roles are at risk, leaving workers to adapt or find new paths. Then there's the pressing issue of ethics and data privacy. With AI systems collecting and analyzing vast amounts of personal data, the question of who controls this information becomes crucial. Moreover, AI's influence on decision-making processes cannot be overlooked. From judicial systems to job recruitment, AI algorithms increasingly play a role in decisions that impact human lives. This power raises concerns about bias and accountability. While AI offers remarkable benefits, these challenges demand our attention and action. We must navigate these ethical dilemmas and economic impacts carefully to ensure a future where technology serves humanity equitably. As we uncover these complexities, let's prepare ourselves for the solutions and innovations that lie ahead in our journey. Together, we can harness AI's potential while safeguarding our societal values. Join us as we explore how to address these challenges in the upcoming segment on ethical considerations and solutions in AI development. As we navigate the complex world of artificial intelligence, ethical considerations emerge as a critical focal point. Ethical AI development is not just about balancing innovation with responsibility. It's a necessity for our future. Today, we delve into how the AI community is actively working to address these ethical challenges. From transparency in AI algorithms to ensuring data privacy, significant efforts are underway to mitigate potential negative impacts. Innovators are pioneering solutions that prioritize ethical standards, setting a benchmark for responsible AI. These advancements not only aim to safeguard individual rights, but also strive to foster trust in AI systems. By focusing on ethical frameworks, we are paving the way for AI to be a force for good, ensuring it benefits society as a whole. As we continue our journey, let's explore how these innovations are shaping the landscape of AI. Join us as we transition into exciting developments that highlight AI's potential in solving some of the world's most pressing issues. As we continue our journey into the realm of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves on the brink of groundbreaking innovations. These emerging technologies are not just advancing industries, they hold the promise to tackle some of the most pressing global challenges we face today. Imagine AI systems that can predict natural disasters, enhance medical diagnostics, or optimize renewable energy solutions. Innovative AI solutions are already making significant strides, from reducing carbon footprints with smarter energy grids to revolutionizing education through personalized learning experiences. The positive impacts of AI are profound and far-reaching. These advancements aren't just technological marvels, they represent a new era of possibilities for solving issues that have long plagued humanity. Yet, as we marvel at these developments, it's crucial to consider how these innovations can be harnessed responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI's potential must be guided with ethical considerations at the forefront. As we explore these exciting developments, remember that the journey of AI is just beginning. The future holds even more promise, and understanding these innovations today will empower us to navigate tomorrow's challenges effectively. Stay with us as we delve deeper into AI's future implications, exploring how these advancements could shape the world of tomorrow. What potential does AI truly hold? Let's find out in our next segment. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of artificial intelligence is a canvas of both challenges and opportunities. Emerging trends in AI suggest a world where technology could reshape our daily lives in unimaginable ways. However, this potential comes with long-term societal impacts that we must carefully consider. What role will AI play in our future society? Will it be a tool that enhances human potential or a force that disrupts it? AI promises to revolutionize industries, from healthcare and education to finance and beyond. But as it grows more sophisticated, we face crucial decisions about ethics, privacy, and employment. These are not just technological challenges, but societal ones that demand thoughtful solutions. Imagine a future where AI aids in solving global issues like climate change and poverty, offering innovative solutions that were once beyond our reach. Yet as we embrace these advancements, we must also remain vigilant about the ethical implications and strive for a balance that respects human values. Ultimately, the vision for AI's role in society hinges on our collective choices today. Will we foster an AI landscape that prioritizes ethical development and equitable access? Only time will tell. But as we journey into this future, one thing is clear. The possibilities are vast, and the responsibility is ours. Stay with us as we explore how you can remain informed and engaged with the unfolding story of AI in our concluding segment. As we wrap up this journey into the world of artificial intelligence, it's clear that staying informed is more important than ever. AI is reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace, and understanding its implications is crucial for navigating the future. We encourage you to explore the wealth of resources available to deepen your knowledge about AI. From online courses to insightful articles, there's a universe of information waiting to be discovered. Engage with this transformative technology and reflect on its potential impact on your life and society at large. By staying informed, you empower yourself to be part of the conversation shaping the future of AI. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and remember, the future is in our hands. Stay curious, stay informed, and together, let's navigate the exciting path ahead.